Auto-Invest lets you buy crypto automatically on a recurring schedule, so you can build your position over time without thinking about timing the market. From the Exchange tab, select Auto-Invest. To simulate a strategy before committing, tap the DCA Calculator icon in the top right corner. Choose the assets, set an investment amount, a frequency, and a time horizon. The calculator shows you the historical performance of that exact strategy, how much you would have accumulated, and your estimated return. When you're ready to start, tap Set up Auto-Invest directly from the calculator. Review your order summary, swipe to confirm, and your Auto-Invest is now active.